Hello everyone and welcome back to techystack channel. In last video we see the multiple filters based on the only two columns. Now the client will came with a different requirement. So he needs output file. I will show you the output file here sample. So government, after that he needs to one hyphen space and Canada and 2014 or 2013 data he needs. Okay, similar way he needs one moment. Similar way he needs government. After this Canada, okay, we have the 2014 data as well, no? So 2014. And similar way, what he needs government, and after that we have the country name Germany. Okay, and similar way we need to here 13. And similar way we need to go for the mid market Canada 2014, mid market Germany 2014, mid market Mexico 2014. So we need to get all this data. So my file name should be like this. So once he get go that particular folder, he wants to see so government Canada 2013 or government Canada 2014. If you have 2015 years, so you can update like that. So now we'll try to export with this UiPath. Let me remove this data. Okay, let me save this file and I'm going back to the UiPath studio. And here the thing is we need three unique items. So one is for the segment and another for the country and another one is for the 2000 sorry year. Okay. So already I have designed this everything. So now just I will update couple of the things. So as usual I'm reading this data and this is my first filter. This is for the segment. Okay, just I will copy this. Okay, and here this is my second filter. So this second filter for the country. Okay, now we need to for the unique values for the year. Let me take for each real time having like this only and little bit more complex we are getting from the customer sides. So first of all we need to understand the concept from that, then we will get the answers. Okay, let I'm drag and dropping here and here I will update this data. And here my column is, let me check here having capital Y. Okay, just I will copy from here and I will paste it. Okay, let me update this. Okay, it's updated for this one. So now here I will make it as this year just for our reference purpose. So I am adding this. Okay, now first one what we need to do update. So we need to update the filter for the segment. So let me take this filter. Okay, and I will go inside here. It's a segment. Okay, it's updated to segment one. Next filter. Okay, go on check inside. So next filter for the country. This is also fine, no problem. So instead of this final table, I will make it as some different name. What I will do means I will update. Okay, I will go inside each and everything. I will change this sheet names. So this is for segment data table. Just I will modify that thing. I will go here and I will change here. So this is for segment. The segment data table, and this is for the country, the country data table. And finally, I will take, and this is for the final data table. We need to create. Okay, let me go there and I will update this. Done. So we got all the filtered data tables. Okay, next go to this here and I want to change this to year. So country is already done now. So now this is for year. Okay, still if you want you can do some small changes. So this is previously we refer for the workbook sheets. Now we can go and refer this is for the segment for better understanding. Segment. So because we are filtering that segments and getting the unique values for the segment type. And this is for the country. Okay, and similar for the year. So now when you go and see some other our code, so they can understand easily. First of all, they can see segment. Okay, this is for the segment unique values getting and filtering. And second one, okay, this is for the country. And similar for this is for the year. Okay, we have the three for each data for each groups. And next, we are updating the filters. So this Excel data table, which you are getting reading data from the input, so that is called which you call Excel data table. If you want change, you can change to this input Excel data table. So just for our understanding purpose, input Excel data table. Okay, that's it. So now everything, I hope all my requirement has been changed. Okay, just I will run this data and I will update. So here what I need to update means here I need to update something. So my file name should be the here file name should be the what I given here. Okay, government. So government segment of 01 dot string and next country name. So country for this I need to go let it like this here plus country of 0 dot to string. So after before I asked here now one I need one colon sorry hyphen plus and finally what I need country. Sorry, year. It's already country is done. Na? So next I need year plus year of 0 dot to string. Okay, this is my overall file name. Okay, and what I need sheet name is okay here. My sheet name is Canada 2014 like that I need. So Canada this is for the country and I need year plus year of 0 dot to string. So first of all, you need to understand what is the input requirement. I mean, input means what is the user requires. So if you understand exactly how what is the user requirement, then you can easily do these things. Okay, now let me close this, and I don't want this data. Okay, I'm saving this file and closing. So I will go one by one mode. So because still I don't know whether it is execute the perfect output as my expectations are not. That's why I'm going to the debug mode. Okay, still if you not subscribe this video, please sorry my channel, please subscribe my channel and share within circle. And if you have any doubts, please post a comment in the comment section. We'll try to those videos as well. Okay, now I read this data. If you want, you can go and check input Excel sheet. So this is my input data. So all the data having like this. Next, it's came each and every for loop. So you can check here. So let me go here. So segment data table. So segment data table. We can see this government Canada. After this France, all the data is available, and here having 2014 and 2013. So next it will filter one more thing. Okay, and here this is country data table. If you see here country data table, so we have the only the government and Canada. Okay, next it will go for the final data table. So when I go and check here final data table, okay, it's having something here missing. Okay, here country of 0. So it's not should be the country of 0 now. It's one moment. Let me check country of 0 what is having. It's having something different one. One moment. Country of 0. Okay, this not should be country of 0 dot to string. Okay, it should be the year of 0 dot to string. YEA or let me update this. Okay, this should be the year of 0 dot to string. Let me copy the same thing and I will stop the spot and I will go to configure filter. Let me configure this. So this is a common mistakes which when we are developing any code. So we need to be patient while developing any of this code. Okay, I'm putting a breakpoint here. Let it run till here. Okay, I'm removing this breakpoint and I need to check here final data table. And now we can see this we got the 2014 Government, France. Okay, here I did one more mistake. Uh, this is one data table. Here it should be the country data table now. So when you see that filters, it should use something mistake. So while debugging, you can easily identify this because I'm just concentrating on the what my output and the code. Okay, if you concentration on the both the sides, then you will get what you are doing and what you get the output where you did the wrong. Okay, let me check this final data table. And this is a 2014 government Canada. So this is requirement. I got it. Now I need to check this. Okay, this is done. I have created the file. Let me go to the output file and you can see the government Canada 2014. When I go and check here, Canada 2014. Now I will run this. Maybe here something mistake. I'm not sure. Let it run completely. I will run for the two things. Okay, let me run this. Think something mistakes happen. Okay, 2013, it's fine. Okay, Canada 2014, it's appears. So the for loop, I did something mistaken here, I think so. Let it run, what will happen, we will see. Then now, Germany 2014, yes, I got it perfect output. So I need government Canada 2013 and government Canada 2014, Germany 2014 and next Germany 2013. Okay, let me run that as well. So we can see that Germany 2013. Okay, let me open Germany 2013. So this is Germany 2013. Why I'm user ask like this now? So he wants when you see this file, so he will just come this folder and he don't know what file he will open. So for example, if you want his Germany Canada for 2014, then directly he open this file and he will check the information what he requires here exactly. Okay, just we will go here and check the information what he needs exactly. So that's a simple. And I saw something here 2013 also it appears. I don't know why it came. This is only for the 2014, then it should not be get the 2013 data. Okay, let me close this and I will rerun and I will check. So what the mistakes happens here. Okay, I'm stopping this bot and I'm deleting all this data. Let it run till the same thing. Okay, now I will just check for this country data table. Okay, under this country, I have this 2014. I need to check for the where having the 2013 data. Okay, I'm having the 2013 data as well. So now let me just check year of 0 dot to string. Okay, let me update this. Okay, and I will need to check final data table from where it's having. This is the final data table 2014, 14, 14. Okay, 2014, 14, 14. Okay. So what happened? It's appending that same data. So let me run this one more time. So data has been done. Let it run final table again. Final data table. Okay, it's perfect only. But we are getting the data here is accurate. Let me check inside of this file. 2013 and 2014. Here posting the two dates. Maybe here updating some wrong data table. Okay, here updating the country data table. So we need to update here final data table. This should be the final data table. Okay, now we're getting the output is accurate now. So now I will delete all these files and I will run all at once. So once this is done, we'll go to in output folder and we'll check these couple of files. So whether executing the data expect or not. So it's done. So it's taking just couple of seconds to complete this execution of this part. So I will go to this Enterprise Canada 2013. So when okay, I don't know why this every time it's asking. I will check this one later. Let it be. So you can see this segment Canada and Canada 2013 and year is 2013, segment is enterprise, country is Canada. So this is my requirement of what the client asked from me. So and I will go for the random mid-market Mexico. So here we can see this is my segment and country and this for the year only having the 2014. So still if you have doubts you can go on filter and basically having the only one and here also one. Here also one. Initially our input file it's having here segment is 5 types, country is also 5 types, and here is a 2 types. So this is a one more multi filters based on the 3 columns how we can do with this UL. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.